because of where we had come from, culminating in 2007. Hence, the declaration was to be done by the chairperson, but the verification and tallying, if they wanted to do it by the chairperson, they would have said it. Secondly, if, as is being stated by the chairperson of the IEBC, as he's put in his statement that was issued on the 17th of August, it is me. It is me who has to verify and tally pursuant to regulation. There's a regulation 87.3, which my learned friend Mr. Feroz now took your lordships and your ladyships to. I can do it. If he could do it, why wasn't it said? And if he says he can do it, why do you need a commission of 7 people? Why do we spend so much money, taxpayers' money, on a commission of 7 people? Have 3. This court has ruled that 3 people constitute a commission. Have 3. Why do you need 7? Let's take it further. If it's only him, and according to some of the submissions and arguments that are going to be placed before you, the issue of Schedule 5 regarding quorum, and that he doesn't need quorum, it's only in the normal business. My ladies and my lords, what exactly does the IEBC do? Voter registration, but what is its main function related to? Elections. It is all about elections. That's what they do. I don't believe there's been much boundary delineation, but I will stand to be corrected on that by my learned friends on this side. They may know a little more than that. And so, if it is only the chairperson whose argument is, there is 34A, so there is an announcing declaration there, then there is the polling center, and then it comes to him at the tallying center, and he does it. I still go back to 30 billion shillings on an election, and this is what we've got. It's a very sad state of affairs we are in. One man, let's have a commission of 3, going by what he says. Taking it now to the regulations that he relied upon on the 17th, with your lordship's permission, I would state those regulations, unfortunately, when your ladyships and your lordships decided, as my young associates say it in my office, I don't know how they do it, but they say it, Raila and another versus the IEBC of 2017, they claim that according to terminology they use, it's called Raila 2, and then the subsidiary one, the second one that came, when it came for clarification, they call it Raila 2.5. So I don't know why they do that, but that's what the young lawyers do. So I'm going to use their terminology. When Maina Kiai was decided, and this particular Maina Kiai was decided, I believe it was in, I'd written the date down, but Maina Kiai was decided in June 2017. Subsequently, the chairperson of the IEBC came to your lordships and your ladyships asking for a clarification as to exactly how Maina Kiai was interfering with your decisions in Raila 2. It was so clear on what this court said. And the saddest part is, regulation 87 that he is relying upon was not brought to your attention, and from 2017 to 2022, all IEBC does is hold elections but doesn't look at its regulations. And are these regulations, are these going to be the mundane matters that the commission has to decide? Because we've been told, besides verifying and telling, the commission does everything, and those are in their submissions. My lords and my ladies, if you look at my